Hello guys, hope you are doing well. In previous video I have explained inside applications, sales side applications, affiliate marketing. In this video I'm gonna talk about prosumers, where the sell side meets the inside new product development. The now very old linear model of design and build brand is sell it. It is being replaced by a more dynamic mode that involves customers in new product development and suppliers. In the ordering process, instead of a linear production process with customers at the end of it, the new model actually has feedback and input from customers coming in much earlier, more frequently. In fact, as an integral part of the production process, in some cases, it's called UGC, user generated content, like YouTube or even just websites encouraging customers to post interesting comments and ideas about tips on using the product. This is UGC. Arguably, the ultimate UGC is a BBC Northern and Ireland radio show that attracted such humorous callers, encouraged by an equally humorous host, that they were able to use the dialogues recorded and on air and create a cartoon show using the actual sound recordings from their audience, produced by Flickr Pick on the air figure 9.3. It can be seen on YouTube and www.creativity.com. Chapter 5 has an interesting example of how MTV used text messages and the web to create a show based on the customer's voice. But look around you and observe people TV in action. It uses real people slash customer slash audience as the stars of the production, reduces cost. Audiences then take control and vote for who should stay or go. The web game keeps running. The hits keep counting, and the show goes on, partly created and largely controlled by the customer. Another innovative company, constantcomedy.com, hosts video of amateur comedians who then get voted on or off by online audience. Prosumers can create and partially create products and services. Look around you and you will see it happening, from TV to toys to cars and computers. Customers and increasingly involved in the production processes. Cars are no exception when it comes to the prosumer. Visitors can accessible and order their own car online. The customers fill in the order from an specification forms, not the sales strip. More interestingly, BMW actually had customers online help to design and choose a final version of the mark. We all know how clever Dell, IBM, and many others are at integrating their production process right into their customers' own internal system, so that customers can order directly online what they need when they need it. The box Barbie and the young prosumer illustrates another example of using the web to involve the customer in NPD. Sales side application. Sell-side applications include e-commerce, e-CRM, affiliate programs, and collaborative prosumers. E-CRM is all about common sense, yet so many major companies abandon common sense and treat customers dismally. The database is an assist that must be maintained and used to enhance relationships. The internet's chameleon qualities. The importance of pooling the skills of the workforce will grow, and new ways of building on the learning that happens in companies will be discovered. Happily, the communications revolution presents new opportunities to do this. It also presents new challenges. For example, internet technologies help to spread and share ideas, but they also allow ideas to move easily beyond a company, creating a need for protection. However, too much protection of intellectual property rights can stifle innovation, so government and companies need to be able to strike a balance between openness and protection. 2002. Beyond the value chain concept. Chapter 2004 stressed that although the value chain concept still helps to start the thought process about increasing business efficiency and customer value, it has inherent weakness. First, most applicable to manufacturing rather than service. Second, a one-way chain involving push ignores need to highlight customer needs through market research and responsiveness to innovation and new product development. Like Cisco have feedback forms and forms on their site that enable them to collect information from customers and channel partners that can feed through to new product development. Third, tends to ignore the value of value networks. Thank you for watching us.